Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, June 14th, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Dow had, it was almost a perfect repeat of yesterday, the pattern. You can see how the pattern looks almost the same as yesterday, except a little bit lower. It opened down, made a low first part of the day, rallied, and actually ended up closing near its high, officially down 58 points on the Dow. We did not have a good day, unfortunately. We closed out positive $4,000 with three positions earlier this morning. That was okay, but we're carrying negative $9,000 in six positions over the weekend and going into Monday. I'm going to show you the best, and I'm going to show you the worst. And the best is a nuclear energy. This is NNE, which is nano nuclear energy, and we had bought this beginning of the second hour, and it kept going up and up and up, and it made a high here with about an hour to go, but tried to pull back, and it really didn't pull back, and it's closing near its high there, and we are up $10,000 in nano nuclear energy. Just a great trade. I wish we had about three of those, but we only have one, and then we have the worst. And this is an interesting worst trade because it's been a really good stock for us, and it was actually good for us today for part of the time. Yesterday, this is REBN, which is Reborn Coffee Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday midday, and made a great high there, did pull back, and it didn't go back to that high, but we still got out of that with positive $5,000 this morning that we took out of Reborn Coffee, and then it starts to move and of course takes that high out, and we get way up here, and what happens? We get a re-entry, and we get a re-entry at the high tick of the day, and after we get in on our high tick of the day, of course it starts to fail, and it went down, 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 and on the close there we are negative $9,000 in Reborn Coffee. So we made $5,000 earlier, but holding negative $9,000. So I guess you could say we're down $4,000 in Reborn Coffee. This has been a hair-pulling week. It's just been really, really difficult. Has not been profitable for us, but it hasn't been a disaster either. We just got to keep playing the game. We're gonna get some good ones here, but they didn't happen this week. You guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.